Hi guys, I'm Jones Crasto here. Pratt and Whitney advances XA103 engine prototype. Adaptive power future. Pratt and Whitney has officially begun assembling its XA103 adaptive engine prototype, a next generation propulsion system developed under the US Air Force's Adaptive Engine Transition Program AETP. Join me on YouTube. My channel name is Jones Crasto and follow on Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn for elite insights into M&A, luxury assets, defense and energy. The engine is designed to power future fighter aircraft, integrates advanced materials, fan technologies, and thermodynamic innovations aimed at delivering superior fuel efficiency and thrust performance. Backed by parent company RTX, the XA103 represents a major milestone in adaptive propulsion, offering transformative capabilities that could redefine air combat power and sustainment efficiency for decades ahead. Source: FlightGlobal by Ryan Finnerty, October 9, 2025.